Welcome to Hida Takayama, the home of the Japanese spirit. Here you will find majestic natural surroundings and Japanese culture as it was in good old days. Hida Takayama is set amid the northern Alps in central Japan, known as Roof of Japan. This area is characterized by majestic natural scenery and lovely hot springs. Each season brings its own spectacular beauty to Hida Takayama. The old streets are lined with traditional private homes. Many of them constructed 400 years ago, known as Little Kyoto. Hida Takayama boasts a unique culture that fuses Kyoto and Edo traditions. Getting to Hida Takayama. Hida Takayama is easy to reach from all of Japan's major cities. You can come by train, by bus, or by rented car. If you come by rented car, the easiest way is to follow the same route as the regular bus. From Tokyo, take the Shinkansen to Nagoya Station and change to Tokyu Hida train. From Tokyo, it takes about 1 hour 50 minutes to Nagoya and 2 hours 20 minutes to reach Takayama. If you come to Hida by bus, non-stop express buses take about 5 and half hours. From Osaka or Kyoto, take the Shinkansen to Nagoya Station and change to the Tokyu Hida. Traveling time from Osaka to Nagoya is 5 minutes. By bus, non-stop express buses take about 5 hours. From Nagoya, take the Tokyu Hida. You will reach Takayama in about 2 hours 20 minutes. By bus, regular buses take about 2 hours and 45 minutes. Takayama City offers a choice of about 50 hotels and Japanese inns, as well as some 300 family-run guest houses. About 150 of them are located near the Okida Hot Springs Village. While prices may vary considerably, you will be warmly welcomed wherever you choose to stay. Because the downtown area is small, if you stay in the center of town, you will be within walking distance of virtually all of the major attractions. A number of in-town accommodation facilities provide their own natural hot spring bathing. Local pleasures include outdoor natural hot spring baths with scenic views at most of the hotels and inns in Okida Hot Spring Village. Local cuisine. Just as the culture of Hida Takayama developed from a fusion of Kyoto and Edo cultures, the area's unique cuisines is based on a combination of the flavors of Kyoto and Edo. The local dishes are reasonably priced. Traditional crafts. The area's traditional crafts took roots in the early 60s. At the start of the Edo period, when sophisticated carving and conquering techniques from Kyoto were introduced into the area. As years passed, the simplicity and dedicated craftsmanship of generations of artisans resulted in a distinctive local style. This artistry continues to this day. Thanks for watching. See you.